Cabin air is done. We're going to do the air filter next, and then we'll pop this cover off and do the plugs, the belt, drain all the fluids. We'll pop this tire off to see which transmission fluid we got to order, because it'll say on the bolt. But this is no bueno.
That is not good.
It's from 2021, probably on its last leg. We're going to clean it really good, but I think that's what we like to call garbage, or it's gonna be soon. All right, we'll do the air filter next. Yeah, let's open it up and see what it looks like. This is the Toyota part number, and this is where the air filter sits. We'll have Mr. Isaac check it out. All right, so we don't want to get it dirty. Let's lay it in the back of the box, and then let's pop this off. You just set it on top. Okay, so to do this, you're going to flick these ones towards you. Don't touch nothing over here, and don't let it get on you or your clothes, because it's going to eat a hole in it. Pop that way.
What, this?
Yeah, it's not going to be like a flinger. You got to do it hard. Grab it with your thumb, pull it backwards. Yep, there you go. And there's one more hidden in the back. Again, don't touch nothing over here.
I see it.
Can you get it?
Can I like touch that?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, sounds like you got it.
Yeah, I
so
got
now
it.
this is gonna tilt up, and then we'll snake it out.
Do we need to take out? Oh, there.
Voila.
That's cool.
So we got all these little wires you gotta slide over because it doesn't give you a lot of room. So let's see if you can sneak that out.
Easy.
Okay.
Trash can?
Well, let's match it to the new one. Make sure it's gonna fit. Yeah, it's close, and it's a better one. So it's gonna sit.
Yeah.
I believe it's this is the bottom, the deep part, and then so drop that piece in. Yep, good.
Like this way?
Yep, that's the way. The deep part goes deep. Let it go. Okay, now put it. It's getting hung up right here in the corner. You see the little flicker thing? Yep. Still hung up on the same corner. You see the gray thing that locks it down? That's what you're stuck on.
Where's the gray thing?
There you go. We got one part of it down.
There we go.
Oh, it's down. So then we got this piece. We just push in on this side.
Do we click it?
And then
back
he
in?
has to push down and up. If you push it, no, push it in the middle. Push it in the middle right here.
Don't push it from the hook from the
See if
middle.
you can get it in the middle. And then the one on the side. Let's see. Alright, so we just fit it back down there a little bit tighter and flipped it around. Was still not upside down, but just turned a little bit. So now we got this all the way down. You can see the plastic down here. Now you can lock it. There you go. If you push in the middle though, sometimes what it does is it opens it up, makes it longer. So try to get that other side. Now, you can try it from the top, but if you can't, you might have to get it for pushing the middle. Try pushing in the middle real hard if you can't get the top. Kind of not a good view.
Let me try to get the other.
And try it your other hand?
Yeah.
There you go. Close. Push it. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if I can push this in the middle. There it goes. So when you push in the middle, it opens it up, makes it a little bit wider.
Okay.
So now the air filter is done. So again, $20 or less for the air filter, and I don't know, was that 4 or 5 minutes of your time? Don't pay somebody $50-$60 for that. All right, we're gonna go to dinner. We're gonna let this clean up. We're gonna verify the bolt, and I'll show you that probably tomorrow. She also wants the brakes inspected, and we'll do that too.